General Flying Tiger. Japanese pilot. Taiwanese god.
Scene 4. In heaven.
You saved people in Tainan.
Yes, Your Highness.
You were kind and brave.
Thank you, Your Highness.
But you've taken this lottery thing too far.
Sorry, I just wanted to help people.
This is not the right way to help people.
I was wrong.
No more lucky numbers.
No more lucky numbers.
No more lottery.
No more lottery.
I've got good news for you.
I'm all ears.
The heavenly court is going to make you a real god.
Thank you, Your Highness.
After 10 days.
This is for you.
Thank you.
This is your hat.
Thank you.
Sagila became a real god.
In 1993, Sagila's temple was built.
Sagila has a kind heart.
He is my hero.
Sagila has a brave heart.
He is my model.
This is the story of General Flying Tiger.
The story of our hometown.
Japanese pilot.
Taiwanese god.
The end.
Thank you.